guys, today I have a get ready with me, and this is on the new Hocus Pocus 2 collection. I feel like I'm a little quote-unquote late on this. Not really, to be honest, but I just feel like the makeup world just kind of just flies by now that you don't even have a chance to get your products, enjoy them, or do anything, and there's already like 50,000 other releases. Is it just me? Yeah, that's why I'm on a low buy. And I'm really picky about the things that I get, and something that I love is Disney. I love good packaging. Packaging gets me when it's something related to something that I really enjoy, and Hocus Pocus is my jam. I have bought every collection that they've launched, but let's go ahead and get into it. I do have the little ears, and these are from the collection, and it says give him fur. And that's the little packaging that it comes on. I just went ahead and clipped them in, and they're literally like little clips. I don't like the fact that a lot of the names that are in this collection are related to Hocus Pocus and not Hocus Pocus 2. I would have preferred, I don't know if they weren't able to view the movie, but I would have preferred them to be able to view the movie and put a lot of the newer quotes and like the new song and things that are related to the new movie if you're gonna call the collection Hocus Pocus 2. Because Give Him Fur is like relating to the first movie, and you will see that a lot of the names in these and almost everything in here is related to the first movie and not the second one, even though this new movie does have a lot of references to the old movie. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start with some eyeshadow. I already have primer on. This is what the packaging came in. I love all the detailing. And this is the palette itself. I just love a good theme. It doesn't have a mirror, but it does have all three of the sisters up there. And I really enjoy the color theme. I feel like this is very similar to the Disney Villains. I don't own that palette, but this one, it seems like a little bit lighter side compared to the Disney Villains, where I felt like a lot of the shades were more on the darker side, even the shimmers. So this one calls to me a lot more, and I feel like this one is something that I will wear a lot more. Now, there are certain ones that are not intended for the immediate eye area, and there's 1, 2, 4 eyeshadows that say that they're not intended for the immediate eye area. I just thought I'd point that out just in case that's something that you like to know, because I know not everyone, like if glitters and certain things, some people are iffy about those things. Let's go ahead, and I think I'm going to try to do maybe like a purple and green look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for purple and green. I'm gonna go ahead and go into Havoc, which is just this taupey color, and try to apply that above my crease. I am having issues with my eyes. I'm just dying for this Botox to wear off. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, my Botox video has already come out, and you guys can go watch that, because yeah, I have really hooded eyes now because I can't lift my eyebrow literally, and I understand I did this to myself though. So we're just gonna apply this on the crease. Next, I'm gonna go into Observe, which is the dark purple, and it actually has the eye on there, like just stamped onto the shadow. I love when they do little details like that. And I'm just putting this in the outer corner. I'm being a little bit more cautious of my eye placement just because my eye is so hooded right now. Next, I'm going to try to place that dark green right next to it, and this is Night of Sins. And hopefully these will blend together. We shall see. I'm just kind of patting that on. It's been like a learning process to relearn how to do my makeup. Thankfully, this will only be like something that's temporary, because oh my god, it kind of scares me as well to do more cosmetic procedures and stuff, because I don't know, like if I had gone under the knife and then not liked the results, that would have been like, oh my god. Next, I'm going to take the light green shade that is called Brew Another Batch, and put that all over the lid. And I wish they had used a lot of the names from the new movie. Like, a lot of these names are all related to Hocus Pocus 1, which is, I don't know, like I get that there's a big fan for Hocus Pocus, but don't call it a Hocus Pocus 2 palette when everything related, all the names of the glosses and everything are related to the first movie. And then I want to use one of the Jelly Much eyeshadows. This is called I Am Calm and has the little cat. Oh, I'm just throwing shit everywhere. And put this on my inner corner. Wow, that is so freaking creamy. I wish all of them had these stoppers for real, because this is gonna help so much with keeping them nice and creamy. I almost want to repurchase the Nightmare Before Christmas ones if they have like the new stoppers. I don't know if they do or not. But let's just use a little bit of this. Okay, I have this all over my freaking finger. I want to use the tiniest amount into the inner corner. These are so beautiful and glittery. They're like totally my vibe. Oh, that's pretty. So I just have that pop in the inner corner. They are a little bit messy just because of how these stoppers go in so deep. So it's like, make up your damn mind, Melissa. You want the stoppers or you don't want the stoppers? Then for underneath the lash line, I'm gonna add a little bit of the light green, brew another batch to the inner corner. Just to kind of like really open the eye. And then I'm going to use the shimmer purple, which is called Wicked Ways, and apply that to the rest of the under eye. Now, instead of using lashes, I really want to use the Colourpop BFF Hocus Pocus 2. This one is called Butcherson for Billy. I thought that the packaging was super cute. It actually has Billy on the front. And then I wanted to show you guys all of the other unicartons just because I think that they were super cute. These are the ones for the Jelly Much eyeshadow, and each one has one of, oh God, I have one of them upside down. It has each one of the witches, and the names correspond with quotes from them from the movie. And then likewise, the glosses, the packaging is the same. It's the sisters, and each sister corresponds to the name. So for example, Sarah, the name of the lip gloss is called Boys Will Love Me. So each one really, really cute. And then the Shimmering Body Powder by Soul has all three of the sisters on the front. And then what I'm going to use now is the BFF mascara, and this has Billy Butcherson in the front. I thought that this was so cute. He hasn't been on anything, so I kind of wish a lot of times that these unicartons were the actual packaging of the products, because they're so freaking cute. A lot of times I use them as stoppers behind my palettes in my drawers. And the really cool thing about this Butcherson one is that it's like a dark purple color. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how it looks. I don't think it will be super, super noticeable because it's not a color that's like, you know what, you can actually tell. Okay, okay. I put a crap ton of the mascara. My eyelashes are kind of going through their growth phase. Sometimes they do this where they're like starting to fall off, because I do use New Lash for lash growth. But I don't know, I don't really care for this formula of this mascara, the BFF one. I don't like the wand. It's not like the wand that I kind of like for my mascara. And I don't really feel like you can tell that it's a wine color. Let me know if you guys can tell or not. But the thing that I like the most about the mascara is the carton it came in. And we're gonna go ahead and try the highlighter, or the body glow thing. Let's go ahead and get a highlighter. And I finished applying mascara. I don't feel like it's a very noticeable color because it's such a dark wine color that you can't even really tell that it's on the lashes. It's just very, very subtle. I don't really care for this formula. It's a little bit chunky, and I don't like the wand in the mascara itself. So this one's a fail for me. Next, we're gonna use the Find the Book, and this is the Shimmering Body Powder. I'm gonna use a little bit of this as a highlighter. This junk is like super hard to open because it doesn't have like giveaway here, and I don't even have nails on right now. So you literally have to like, freaking A. Like you have to hold it and like try to press it open. I don't know if there's a trick to this, but I'm having like the most difficult time every time I'm gonna open it. It has a huge mirror and this thing is freaking huge. Look at how big it is compared to my face. It's a little overkill for me at how big it is, but you know, I did want the whole collection, so I guess that's my own damn fault. Okay, we're gonna apply just the tiniest amount as a highlighter. Okay, wow, this is super glittery. I don't think I would use this on a normal basis, and it does have like a little bit of a green tint to it. You guys will see it in the swatches. I don't know if I should put the swatches here to the side or make a real, like a shorts separate. We're just gonna have our most glittery moment right now. Like just be a fairy. And you can actually dust this all over the body if you wanted to, you know, get a little shimmer moment here, like on your collarbone for a night out. And it's almost like a, oh wow, this is, oh, it is a cream. Is it a cream? I don't know, it's like super creamy. But yeah, it's very shimmery and pretty. I think I would take this maybe on vacation just to add like some glitter to like when I dress up at night and stuff like that, but on the daily basis I don't really use this kind of product. So it's cute, it has the cat. That one I could do without. Kind of regret buying that. Now we're gonna go to the lip glosses. I really want to do the purple one on my lips just because it calls to me the most. This one is, whoa. This one is basically just a clear with glitters in it. And then this one is like a nudie kind of like a nudie orangey shade. And I feel like this is gonna be very wearable as well. So these two are wearable, and I thought that we would do Boys Will Love Me and see how this looks on the lips just because it's so different. It's like, it's kind of like a grayish purple and it has a whole bunch of glitters in there. It gives a very witchy vibe. I definitely would use this on top of like purple lipsticks or darker lipsticks just so that it's like, I really like the glitter in here. It's definitely different for sure. I don't know if I fully like this or not. I don't know. It's very, very different for me. I've never had a gloss this like weird, I don't know, it's like a grayish undertone on my lips. Yeah. Okay, so that is it for the Get Ready With Me. Let me know if this was a collection that you picked up, what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear from you down below. I definitely really enjoy when they put so much effort and like, I love when they do like detailings to the packaging. Like even you can see Mary and then her dress is here on the side. Likewise with each of the sisters. So I love when they do like they really go hard, balls to the wall with packaging and details. I wish they would have watched this second movie before putting these names because I feel like a lot of the stuff in this didn't relate to it. I really enjoyed the second movie. I know some people like it's gotten like mixed reviews, but I really enjoyed it. My son loves it. I've watched it like 1,000 times already. And yeah, I really just love the Sanderson sisters and will continue to do so. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you did watch this, I know I'm like quote unquote late to the game with this collection, but you know, I guess it just is what it is. That's why sometimes like I'm afraid to review stuff because I'm like, well, in makeup world, it's already old. Let me know if you guys feel the same way with certain things. But yeah, I did include this. This is going to be part of my low buy. This was something that I really wanted, so I went ahead and picked up the whole collection. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.